Hi guys, my name's Itamar and welcome to this installment of MintTips. Today I'm going to share with you a nice website that you can use that will help you find the tags that other people are using in their videos. So this is especially important if you're trying to see what your competitors are doing and what kind of tags they're using. So for this example, I'm just going to copy the URL of the video about Theresa May's political career in 3 minutes. All you want to do is when you've got the URL, you want to go to this website, ytubetool.com. And this website is great because you can just simply paste any YouTube video URL and you hit the find the tags, and then it will find the list of all the tags that that video is using. So for this example here, this video is by the BBC. So they're including keywords around BBC, and obviously the video is about Theresa May, so they're including things like Theresa May resign, Prime Minister, Brexit, all these related keywords. So this is a great tool, guys, if you want to be able to see what your competitors are doing, so it just helps give you ideas for the kinds of tags that you should use in your video. So remember, ytubetool.com is the website if you want to try this out. Thank you for watching.